Can you change your currency in the Turkish airline apps? So as example here, if we go and book a flight, we can book it as example from a place to another place. Example, we can go and pick our dates like return dates and everything, click on done, click on search flights, and you'll be able to see normally the price of the flights. Of course, you may not see any flights at the moment as example, but let me just go and change like the where should we go. So as example, I'm just going here to as example this place, and here I'm just going to change it in this place as example, and here I'm just going and do done right here and search flights again. And as you can see, let me just go and done. Of course, like the app here just showing a problem, but normally here you'll find the prices of the flights with its currency. But you would want to see it with your currency. So can you do it in the app? No, you cannot do it in the app. But you can do it, as example, on the web version. You can go and open your browser wherever you want and simply look for the Turkish like flight or airlines. So just go and look for that. And what you'll need to do is just go to their websites as an example, click on the first link, and here as an example, you can simply just go and book your flights and you'll be able to change the currency on your website. So on the app, you'll not be able to, but on the website, you will be able to do it. So here's an example. I tried to book a flight. As you can see, you'll find the price right here. And as you can see, the flight price as an example in this currency map. If you want to change it, you can simply go and select currency, and here you'll be able to change it to whatever you want. As you can see, you'll be able just to calculate. So you'll not be able to see it right here, but you'll be able to calculate. If you want US dollars, if you want euros, if you want anything, just locate the currency that you want, and it will be able to calculate, as an example, the price of the flights that you are taking, and here you'll be able to see it. You can click on calculate, and here you'll be able to see it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.